Every Indian home has this. Every dog can eat it. Thai basil. Yes, dog safe when you serve it right. Here's how. White heavy checkmark safe. Plain Thai basil leaves are non-toxic. A few torn leaves are harmless for dogs. In practice, the base ingredient matters far less than what goes in with it. Served plain and unseasoned as described, it sits. Cook plain. No salt, no masala. For a lab, 1 calorie. For a palm, 2 tablespoons max. Bottle gourd, pumpkin, carrot are indie dog favorites. Introduce over 3 days to avoid loose motions. Full breed wise portion chart on dogeats.in. Save this so you don't forget.